This is the first YouTube session from Tim, the Innovation Master. My name is Vikas, and I will let you know why we feel the future landscape of work is changing. Now, there's a question which is predominantly for all the new corporates. Is technology changing? Yes, technology is changing, and it's changing in much faster rate than how it was in past. Is the environment changing? And the environment is very much changing actually, right? And we all have seen this thing in and during COVID, and after that, I think we have seen acceleration in environment changing, how it happens. Now, all of this predominantly is going to change future ways of working. Now, not only future ways of working, but at the same time, right, whatever roles, responsibilities these corporates have, some of them will drastically change. And that's one of the reason colleges need to start thinking about that. They cannot deliver products, and I will say these students are their product, with the same skill set, with the same mindset, with the same maturity level. There has to be something different. Now, what is that something different? I think from years we do talk about innovation. From some years we have started basically giving focus towards entrepreneurship. We do really think about, we do really basically, in each seminars, conferences, whenever somebody is basically, right, trying to create an impression, we do talk about, right, how innovative we should be. But is it really happening in colleges? I think no. And today, why I am basically, speaking like that, one of our, fellow went to 3 colleges, and all 3 colleges, we could not get even entry by this word called innovation.